The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is here. Well, almost. In fact, it might arrive sooner than you'd expect. Hint, hint, January 17th, 2024. Brace yourselves for an absolute tech revolution because this device is loaded with game-changing features. We're talking about a sleek titanium frame case, the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and a whole lot more. But that's not all. We've also got some tantalizing rumors and speculations to dive into. So without further ado, let's unravel the mysteries surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and separate fact from fiction. Let's kick things off with some exciting news. The new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is making a shift from its usual aluminum build to a trendy titanium finish. While some may see this as a minor change, there are some solid reasons why it's actually fantastic. First off, titanium brings the heavy artillery in terms of durability. It's like a superhero suit for your phone, making it incredibly resistant to scratches and scuffs. And here's the kicker. It'll shed some weight compared to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. Now it won't become feather-light, and the difference in weight won't be too drastic. But still, who doesn't appreciate a slimmer and more lightweight device? With a titanium frame rumored to bring the S24 Ultra's weight down to just 233 grams, it's a significant step forward from this year's phone. So, if you're all about style, durability, and a device that won't weigh you down, the S24 Ultra's titanium upgrade is definitely something to get excited about. From both the enticing renders and juicy rumors, it seems like Samsung is waving goodbye to its iconic curved screens. After years of tinkering with the curves on its flagship phablets and giving the non-Ultra models flat panels, the company is now shifting gears with the Galaxy S24. Leaker Ice Universe hinted that while the sides will stay curved, the screen itself is rumored to be perfectly flat. These S24 Ultra renders reinforce this idea, revealing a design that matches the Pixel 8 Pro and ditching those curved edges along the sides of the screen. It's a bold move, and it seems like the era of curved phones is coming to an end, at least for some of Android's major players. While Motorola is holding onto the curved screens for some of its devices, the trend is unmistakable. Flat edges are making a comeback and might just be here to stay. It's all about keeping things sleek and practical, and that's something we can all appreciate. Once again, Ice Universe is bringing the heat with more leaks, and this time it's all about the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Picture a flat panel that measures in at around 6.8 inches, boasting a crisp 1440p resolution. But wait, there's more. This time it's bringing a peak brightness of a whopping 2500 nits. That's a massive leap from the 1750 nits we had on this year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. The latest whispers in the tech world suggest that Samsung is planning to unleash the Galaxy S24 on January 17th, 2024, in the heart of San Francisco, USA. And here's the exciting part. The South Korean giant sees the Galaxy S24 series as its knight in shining armor during these challenging times. But what makes the Galaxy S24 so special? It's being dubbed the AI phone with generative AI powers. Think ChatGPT and DALL-E level. Samsung has already flexed its muscles with the in-house Exynos 2400 processor, which promises a 30% faster GPU, 70% faster GPU, and a mind-boggling 14.7 times faster NPU. This powerhouse can handle on-device AI processing, opening the doors for incredible generative AI features like converting text into images, which is amazing. But that's not all. All devices are rumored to feature dynamic AMOLED 2XL TPO screens with a dazzling 2500 nit peak brightness. The future is looking brighter than ever. Samsung's usual Galaxy S series launch timeline typically takes place at the end of February, with phone shipments starting in early March. However, we've seen a change in recent years. The Galaxy S23, for instance, made its debut in early February and was in users' hands before the month's end. Now, with the eagerly anticipated Galaxy S24 series, Samsung is pushing the envelope even further, aiming for a mid-January 2024 launch and potentially shipping the devices by the end of that same month. With this exciting development and the possibility of an early release, the question is, will you be one of the first to pre-order this cutting-edge device, or will you explore other options in the competitive phone market? Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more updates in the tech world. We'll catch you in the next one.